Hi, this is Wes Fryer with a narrated sermon sketchnote from Eric Laverentz's sermon about John 15 on the 21st of May, 2017. And these first 9 verses are words from Jesus. I am the true vine, and my Father is the vine dresser. Every branch in me that does not bear fruit, he takes away, and every branch that does not bear fruit, he prunes, that it may bear more fruit. And it goes on. Those are just the first 2 verses. But Eric preached on the first 9 and gave us a conversation about vision, and a continuing conversation. And he invited us to climb a mountain and talked about 3 principles of fruit bearing, which are included in these verses. First of all, that pruning precedes fruit bearing. God is the vine dresser, and new shoots are actually grafted onto the old tree. He talked a lot about his recent visit to Israel and seeing these ancient olive trees and how new shoots are grafted on. His second point was talking about how we're created to bear fruit like Jesus. Fruit bearing is not optional. Jesus wants great disciples, not big numbers. We shouldn't just be focusing on those numbers in church. And Jesus calls us to abide in him. And when we abide in Jesus, we produce fruit just naturally. That's what happens. He told a great story of a woman that was baptized there in the Jordan River when they went to visit. And he talked about what the culture wants. The culture wants truth. It wants love. It wants relationships. And so this was a wonderful and important message. And we need to remember that Jesus did not stay in the building. And also we are not called to stay in the buildings of our churches. We're asked to go out and be Jesus' hands and feet as we bear fruit. And that third point is the world wants to serve. And so we need to provide opportunities for others as they are invited to join us in Jesus' work to also serve, to serve each other and to serve the kingdom of God.